Extortion is a criminal offense under Indian law. In simple terms, extortion occurs when a person intentionally puts another person in fear of injury and dishonestly induces them to deliver property, money, or valuable security. Extortion is defined under Section 383 of the Indian Penal Code. According to this section, a person commits extortion if they intentionally create fear of injury in someone and thereby dishonestly obtain property or any valuable thing. The injury mentioned in the law may relate to body, reputation, or property. This means extortion does not always involve physical violence. Even threatening to harm someone's reputation or expose private information can amount to extortion. Section 384 of the IPC provides punishment for extortion. The punishment may include imprisonment, fine, or both. In more serious cases, such as when extortion involves threats of death or grievous hurt, stricter punishments may apply under other sections. For example, demanding money by threatening to release private photographs, threatening physical harm unless payment is made, or forcing someone to sign documents under fear may amount to extortion. The key element in extortion is fear. The accused must intentionally create fear to obtain property. If property is given voluntarily without fear, it may not amount to extortion. Courts examine whether the victim was actually put in fear and whether the property was delivered because of that fear. Extortion is different from robbery. In robbery, property is taken by force or immediate threat. In extortion, the victim delivers property due to fear created by the accused. The law treats extortion seriously because it involves coercion and abuse of power. Victims can file complaints at the nearest police station. Indian police officers in khaki uniform investigate such offences and collect evidence such as messages, recordings, or witness statements. Understanding extortion law helps citizens protect themselves from blackmail and threats. No one has the right to obtain money or property through fear. The law protects individuals from coercion and intimidation. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.